Alright, it's about 7 p.m. right now. I'm going to do a quick update of what to expect in the upcoming days and what to expect as far as the forecast is of what I have as of right now. So, it's 3:31 and 26, currently 7 p.m., so that kind of gives you time. I'm hoping to drop this about 8 o'clock, so I was just waiting after the 6 p.m. models updated, or I guess they're actually 7 now because of daylight savings time, but you'll get about the best information you can. So as you see here, here's the current winter weather watches, warnings, advisories from the Weather Service. Here in Brown County, we're a winter storm or winter weather advisory from April 1st at 7 p.m. until April 2nd at 7 p.m. You can kind of see here what they're expecting tonight. Until 30. Tomorrow, rains, snow, likely breezy. Of course, it's always breezy in Minnesota, isn't it? So tomorrow, a little no accumulations expected. So could be a little dusty, could be a little whatever. Then tomorrow night, winter weather advisory goes into effect at 7 p.m. So rain before 2 a.m. Mixed with freezing rain between 2 and 3, then sleet, possibly mixed with freezing rain after 3 a.m. New snow ice accumulation, chance of precipitation 100%, new ice accumulation 0.01 of an inch possible, new sleet accumulation up to a half inch. So then we're looking ahead to Thursday. Rain, sleet, mixed with freezing rain before 11 a.m. Then rain between 11 and 4 p.m. Rain so likely after 4 p.m. High 37, breezy. 50 to 20 miles an hour out of the north in the afternoon. Winds gusts as 25. They're predicting another new ice accumulation less than 0.1 of an inch. Snow accumulations less, sleet accumulations less than a half inch. Thursday night, rain. Snow likely for 9. Chances of snow between 9 and 1. Low around 27. Friday, freezing rain. Snow showers, freezing rain before 9 a.m. Chance of freezing rain between 9 and noon. The rain showers high near 40. New ice accumulation less than 0.1 of an inch. And Friday night, it looks like it's going to continue to snow, likely after 4 a.m. New precipitation to clear a half inch possible. So tomorrow night, Thursday, isn't really my hugest concern at this point. So that'd be about right now, is it? You can see. Oh, this is about every 3-hour increment, so it's about 42 hours or so out is when you can see for us here that we're going to start getting into the freezing rain, the heavier. This is just precipitation, it's not severe weather. We can see our low is right up eastern Nebraska, western, southwestern Iowa. So that is kind of why we're kind of in the border waters here. So 48 hours out. It's going to kind of clear out. And then the second round, you'll see it's going to start coming in. So at the moment, pop over my other one to get more totals, but you can kind of see what the future's going to bring. If you see the low kind of tracks northeast, up along the northern Iowa, southern Minnesota area. So that's going to put us on the warmer side. If you look at the isobars here, the purple, bluish are cold, the reds are warm. So we get through 48 hours or so. Then now we're 78. So there's probably hard 38 hours. That's probably a snowstorm for the weekend coming in right here. Please keep in mind that this is multiple days out, that this is all likely a change. I just know with Easter coming up and the threat of ice that we might see something. So that was the GFS model. So now I'm popping over to the NAM and I'm looking at the freezing rain over the next 84 hours. So we're getting a Thursday here. Thursday night here. Wednesday night, I'm sorry. You can see that this is freezing rain composite, where you'll likely see freezing rain out of this. As I keep clicking over, this is updated since I looked before I started. But around the New Ulm, Brown County area, we could see possibly 0.12 inches to half of inch of rain. Not say it's all going to be freezing rain, but that's actually what I have up right now is the freezing rain. But keep in mind this could mix with sleet and not amount to as much. Just for the heck of it, we're going to pop over to the snow for the exact same time period for the next 84 hours. As we get 39 hours, you can see a snowstorm start developing out in South Dakota. As we continue to track, we're looking at 72 hours. There could be some snow, light snow precipitation accumulation here in southern Minnesota. But at the moment, up to 84 hours, it appears that most of the snow is going to stay up in north of the metro, places up towards Duluth, Grand Rapids, Bemidji. You'll see the most snow where they could get up to 2-3 inches probably. Keep in mind 84 hours out is still a pretty good range. So another thing I was going to go over is the weather briefing. It's on the right here page of the National Weather Service, www.weather.gov/mpx/Twin Cities, and both get you the same page. And it'll give you active watches, warnings, advisories. And you just click on your area on the map and it will bring up the local forecast. Most of it's on New Ulm because that's where the weather reporting station is. So, but I thought this was interesting, the weather briefing from 4 p.m. As you can see, they have already issued the winter weather advisory. So I am in agreement with what the Weather Service is saying here. this yellow circle box, wintry mix, sleet, freezing rain most likely. New Ulm is literally right here under the Z, under freezing. So, chances of an inch or more snow. Northwestern, very western, probably out towards Springfield, almost the 71 corridor county line there. Could see up to an inch. Chances for more inches, basically 0 for our area. So this is what has me concerned. This is round 1, so the next coming days, ice accumulation. So National Weather Service currently has us in a 40% chance of ice accumulation. That's not very common. So this one has a little more attention for me. So if you see out here towards Northfield, Rochester, out to our neighbors out in Wisconsin, it's looking more of an ice event. But at the moment, we are kind of on the edge. That reason being, where is it? There it is. We have this low pressure right here starting to develop. So if this would track north, we'd be more rain. If it would track south, we'd probably be more in the freezing rain, icing. So, so here you can see the low is developed. So that is kind of why I'm saying things can change. Weather Service is even saying exact location, heaviest ice amounts, sleet, freezing rain is uncertain. But the most likely time period for ice would be Wednesday night through Thursday morning, when the temperatures are the coldest. So I'll go over the temperatures one more time before I close out here. And then we come into round 2, Friday through Saturday night. Looks like we're in the lower impacts, 5 to 10% chance of seeing this in our area. There again, you get back up towards Wilmer, St. Cloud, Montevideo, and kind of back up towards north of the metro, up towards Duluth and down towards north of Marshall. Marshall will be right about here. So, sorry, I'm not familiar with a lot of towns. Montevideo will be in here, I believe, somewhere, or over here. So you kind of get the gist. So, most of this, when it turns freezing rain, it's going to be early morning or overnights. We're going to hover near 40 for highs. We're going to get dipped down towards 30s, upper 20s for lows. So that is when we're going to start seeing problems with ice accumulating. It's hard to believe I have to sit here and talk about a winter/ice event after an 80-degree day yesterday. But so through Saturday night, the winds are going to be there. So if we get ice, it's going to be slippery out there. By Tuesday, we're going to be back up to the 50s. As usual, Mike and I try to keep as much information updated as possible. Mike posted this one 7 hours ago. Pretty much nothing's really changed since the morning update. So It's basically showing the same stuff that went over. But that's about all I have for the weather. Like I posted before, we're looking at a form for severe weather reports this summer. I'll drop a video on that here probably next day or so. I was recorded, I got interrupted with radio stuff, so I had to cut my presentation to do my radio duties. And no, as long as I have everybody here. Just give everybody a quick look at the Discord server. I know some of you are on it, some of you are not. Right here is where I'm posting when I do videos. I'm trying to keep track of gas prices for everybody. If you have general questions, you can go ahead and post a general question. It doesn't have to be much of anything important. If you're just curious about something, you can ask. Severe weather reports, I'm just posting them as I get them. I've already got the severe weather form posted onto the Discord server, so that'll be pinned on there. I'm keeping track of watches, warnings, advisories. I see I have somebody that's interested in becoming a member. One thing we steer away from on the Facebook page, but I know people like to talk about it. I have a spot for road reports. So, forecast here this past weekend, nobody believed me. So as I was getting chomped down by a mosquito, I had to take a picture. I'm trying to post other county news, like if there's events or scheduled maintenance, whatever, it'll be there. I'm running a ham radio section if you're a ham radio operator. If you're interested in events or whatever, I'll post them as they come about. I have a window for upcoming trainings. So, you can find that information there. Then I have this nice feature. It's the National Weather Service bot. So multiple times a day, I can't specifically just set for one location, but it automatically posts. Here you can see where they posted the winter weather advisory a little bit earlier before it got to us. So, a lot of information there. Doom and gloom, that's just something I play with. I love geopolitics, so I post the doom and gloom on that. Otherwise, during the summer, if you're not a radio operator, and want to, I'm establishing a voice channel that you can log in and use your voice and talk your report in if you get relayed. So, fun. Other than that, I know a lot of people have been seeing stuff like this. This is T Storm Chaser out of Sioux Falls area, where they're putting out their maps and all that good stuff. So I've been seeing it for a couple days now, and I actually reached out to the Weather Service to see their thoughts, but they said it was too early yet. They couldn't give me their 2 cents on it yet, because like I'm even saying, it's still a couple days out, so it all depends on what that low pressure does. So, yeah, I will drop this to Hit Storm Chasing on YouTube. I will try to drop a copy to Browkai Storm Spotters. So hopefully somebody can find me, watch me, like me, share me, all that good stuff that creators say. But my addiction is weather, so. Alright, thanks everybody for listening, and if something changes, I probably won't do another video. I might do another video tomorrow night before I get the latest, greatest, probably about 7 o'clock again. I say it drops about a half hour later because it takes time to upload. Let YouTube, Facebook, whoever do their checks, make sure I'm not stealing copyrighted audio, blah, 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 blah. So, alright, have a good night. Thanks for watching.